Hello, this is Wiley from Learn to Barbecue. This video is one of our barbecue sides recipe. This is actually the Asian coleslaw that goes so well with the Sous Vide Asian pulled pork. But it is also just a really good coleslaw. Start off with a washed cabbage and remove the outside leaves that might be dirty or wilted. Now cut out the base or stem of the cabbage. By doing that, the cabbage base can lie flat on the cutting board. Now cut the cabbage in half. Now take that half and now cut that into quarters. With one of the quarters, start making very thin slice cuts, but also keep the cabbage together. By keeping it together, you can now turn the sliced cabbage 90 degrees and then start slicing again. Here you can see it all over again with this next quarter. The benefit of cutting it this way is you end up with cabbage pieces that are a little under an inch long. And you can avoid the food processor that can turn your cabbage into mush. We don't want Kentucky Fried Chicken coleslaw here. As we turn the cabbage, and on the second pass of cutting, leave about an inch between the cuts. Now with the cabbage completely cut up, we now add the carrots. Being lazy, I bought these already cut up, but cutting up carrots is almost like cutting up cabbage. Now mix the carrots and the cabbage together. I use my hands using food preparation gloves, for it's a lot easier than using salad forks. Now put the coleslaw aside and get a 3-quart mixing bowl. Now add 3 overfilled tablespoons of mayo. I'm using olive oil mayo, but regular mayo works fine. Now 1 tablespoon of Clover honey. A tablespoon of sesame seed oil, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a half a cup of rice vinegar, and now with all the ingredients, we just need to give it a really good mix. Now it is time to add the dressing to the slaw. So again, wearing a clean pair of food preparation gloves, it is time to mix it all together. As I was mixing, I found one oversized piece and also an opportunity to try the slaw. One messy thumbs up. Now it's off to the refrigerator to sit for at least an hour so all the flavors can gel. Bon appetit! If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Also, we really appreciate you watching.